Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your leads with Leadpages, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin scaling your leads with Leadpages, the first step is to create an account on the Leadpages website. Once registered, log into your dashboard to access the main features. Next, click on the Create New button to start building your first landing page. You'll be presented with a variety of templates. Choose a template that aligns with your brand and the purpose of your campaign. After selecting a template, customize it using the drag-and-drop editor. Modify the text, images, and colors to fit your desired aesthetic. Make sure to include a clear call to action to guide visitors. Next, integrate an email marketing service to capture leads efficiently. Click on the Integrations tab in the Settings menu. Select your chosen email service provider and follow the prompts to connect it. Once integration is complete, set up your lead capture form. Ensure that the form fields are simple and straightforward for users. After creating your landing page, preview it to confirm it looks and functions as intended. Once satisfied, publish your landing page and note the URL. To increase visibility, drive traffic to your landing page through various channels. Consider leveraging social media, email campaigns, or paid ads to expand your reach. Monitor your landing page's performance using the analytics tools provided by Leadpages. Analyze metrics such as conversion rates and traffic sources to refine your approach. Lastly, make adjustments based on the insights gathered. Continuously test different elements on your landing page for optimal results. In conclusion, with consistent effort and adjustments, you can effectively scale your leads using Leadpages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.